Hi everyone, it's Lorie and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well today. Sorry I forgot to unplug my hot glue gun. What a hot mess. Hi everyone, it's Lorie and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well today. So, we are... Shucks. Okay, sorry. Got distracted, had a missed call. We are going to, I'm thinking, go ahead and sew in the signature on camera. So yeah, I just had an epiphany and decided to make a hot mess of a video. So here we are. Yeah, don't really like sewing in signatures on camera, but I thought, what the heck. So I have some light pink sari silk here, and I have decided, by the way, I poked myself with this dang needle here. That was an ouchie. So I have decided to actually use that to sew in the signature. Yeah, never did it before, so we shall see. Oh, I guess I need my signature right. See, hot mess already, guys. Okay, so here's my signatures. Alright, so you know what? We don't have any kind of extra goodies in here. Well, shucks. Let me pause you guys and grab a couple of bags, maybe. Hold on for me. Okay, sorry about that, guys. So I went and got my bag of bags. Anybody else got a bag of bags? Got me a bag of bags. So I think we'll put a couple of... Gosh, don't you just love that sound? Yes, we do. I think we'll put a couple of those in there. How about that? These I coffee dyed, and luckily these I did not glue shut like I did the other ones. So let's do it this way, and then we can find somewhere to put these in the signature. We're just going to do it like this. Okay. So, where do we want to go? How low do we want to go? Let's go here. And, she says, here. We'll put that one more toward the bottom. Okay, so that got a little, look, you could even hear it through there. That got us some crunchy in there. Love that crunchy. Okay. Alright, so we have that. We have this. Alright, so how are we going to do this, guys? Okay, so we're going to get our bigger awl out. And I'm thinking I'll just use these oversized paper clips. I don't want to worry with it too much, guys. I mean, I tend to overthink and worry about stuff too much. So where is our middle? Here is our middle. We need to know where that's at. Okay, so where do we want it in here? I want it about even top and bottom, and I think that's going to be it right there. So let's see. Okay, get that right there. What do we think? I think so. So now let's see if we can get this one up through there. Okay. And one here. And then one here, quite possibly. Don't want to rip our appliques or anything off. Okay. So, our So what I was thinking, guys, was using this and doing something a bit different. Alright, so what I'm thinking is we will figure out where we want our holes and just go for it. So I just went through it right there. I did use the bigger awl, and that is because, how far did we go? Let's go about there. Oh, we got glue there, guys. Oh, that's hard. Okay. Oh, we got it. Okay, I jabbed myself in the finger, but we got it. Okay, so now I want to take this and see if I can get, you guys probably can't see this, but I'm just putting this over the hole and seeing if I can get it up through there so I can get a hold of it over here on this side. Maybe. Nope, I can't see it. Okay, I think maybe that's it. Let's get tweezers. Totally probably should have did this off camera, but hey. Is that it? Oh, we got it, guys. Yay. Okay, excited about that. So we got that piece. And now we want to get, how much do we have? Totally need enough to tie a bow. Okay, I'm gonna take a drink, guys. I got a tickle. Okay, so now we are going to do the same thing down here and try to push that through. So that we can possibly, maybe, get a hold of it and pull it through. I don't think we're there yet. So let's try again. Let's get that pushed up through there. Nope. Here. Okay, let's take it out and try again. That's all we can do, guys. I'm going to pause you guys because it's probably going to take a minute. Okay, guys, we got it. It only took 3 pairs of tweezers. And it only took about 5 minutes, so not too bad. Okay, so we have this one through. And I am going to have to clean up this lace a little bit right there. Okay, so tweezers go away. And let's go ahead and get this back on there. Alright. So now that like that. Oh man, seriously. Okay, you know what we're going to do since that's still through there? Or I said it was. That might be a space. Where it was like, I think that's just going to keep tearing. Let's see. Let's get our tweezers back and see if that helps or not. Nope. It helps, still tearing. Okay. So, it's just a piece where it's was tied together. So here we go again, unfortunately. We'll try and do it on camera. Okay, so I think what we're going to do is try to tie it together here. I just don't think my bow on the outside is going to be as big as I wanted it to be. But thinking maybe, just maybe this will work. We can see anyway. Okay, yep, I think that's going to work, guys. I'll make sure to get that tight. And I'm okay with that like that for sure. Okay. So, let's go ahead and take these off without tearing our stuff off here. Okay, there's that one. Hot mess. Told you it was going to be a hot mess of a video. I was not wrong. And there we go. Okay, so let's get this stuff put away. We got it, guys. Oh, breeze now, maybe. Okay, let me get my trash can back where it needed to. I had to move it to open up that drawer. Okay. So, I think we're good there. So now we are going to tie us a bow here. Let's see. Right here. Oh yeah, that's still a good bow. Alright guys, so let's see what we got. Something different for me. Alright. So, did have coffee dyed and avocado dyed, so we have that crunchy munchy bag there. But we're going to put lace, lots of lace and pockets and all of that fun stuff in here. There's the middle of our string. I actually love that, and I love all these tattards, so I'm going to leave those strings be. I'm not going to mess with them. What that is, we'll just tear that off. We got the back of our bag, just for that sound mainly. Look at how beautiful that digital is. Alright, we got it in there, guys. Whew. Sigh of relief. And I didn't even pay attention, thank the Lord we didn't do it upside down. Alright guys, so yeah, we're going to go ahead and call this a video. Thank you guys so much for joining me. And the fun, really fun stuff is coming next, guys. And that is where we are going to start decorating some things. Now, I did get some of the shabby pockets out that I made for my journal for Doreen. And I'll go ahead and show you guys real quick. That'll be the next video, because I'm just going to hit stop and then hit start again and go ahead. But these little shabby chic pockets here, we're going to shabby and chic them up a little bit more. That's 4, so that should be good. 2 for each side of the signature, so that'll be good. Then, of course, we have her cute little envelope that came with it. I also picked these out, guys. They may go in some of the pockets, even though this is not a bridal journal by no means. You could use it that way. It's going to be pretty neutral. This is a wedding, and they're like, I think they're like the 1960s, and they are in pink, and I have bought these from my friend Marie over at Hope Vintage Sales. And yeah, I only got it because of the pink. They are all wearing a really light color of pink. I mean, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So I stuck those in there so that we would have some of those, guys. I also have, this is from Jennifer too, made a purchase from her shop, and she calls these the imperfect from her die, although I don't see anything imperfect about them. But I have 2 orders of those. I may even put these little snippets in there. I may not. I do have an order of her snippets here. This thing here, I'm going to reinforce this down the spine, but I'm going to make this into a journal, so that'll be coming up here soon at some point. Probably leave this the way it is, and like I said, just a small piece of muslin, at least down the outside, just to reinforce that, so that we can sew in a signature. But I have all her lace little snippet thingies that she had in her shop, so we may make our own. That way I can keep these, since they were actually made by her. I like having items made by my friends in my journal, so I'll probably keep hers, and we'll just look at hers and maybe mimic and make some of our own, although I know it won't be as pretty as hers. But yeah, so we're going to use that, so I thought that would be a good idea. And of course, these snippets, and that's just a couple of pieces. And then, of course, we have all the ephemera here. Ooh, maybe we could put a word on the outside. Okay, next video. Alright, love you guys. Thank you all so much for your support. I really do appreciate it. If you don't mind, if you have not yet subscribed and you came over just to take a look, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I do a video. And hit that like button and leave me a super quick comment. I would certainly appreciate that as well. Alright, I love you guys. Thank you all so much. So excited. Jennifer absolutely loved this. And I certainly hope that I could do your beautiful digital justice. Alright, I love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.